Aloha, my name is Miley Andrus-Price, and welcome to the heart of my home, my kitchen. I want to share with you a way that you can make your kitchen a sacred space through food, through slowing down, through being present, by enjoying the ingredients that you have in front of you. We are all so busy, and this is such a crazy world that we all need a venue or a way to connect with self and with source. So I invite you to check out my recipes, but mostly to keep in mind that while you cook, you can make your home a place of peace. And you start with yourself by centering yourself and by really enjoying the ingredients in front of you, by tapping into the child wonderment that we as adults have a tendency to forget. To give gratitude for the food that you have, and to know that just because you have food in front of you, it means, it is proof that you are loved, that you are not alone. If you are interested in finding out more about creating a sacred space, and by maybe getting a few more recipes with a message, check out my website, findinggodandgourmet.com, or check me out on YouTube. And I am dressed this way because it is December and I like to be festive. I wish you all so much love and aloha. Till next time, take care.